Hello my friend, welcome to Smart Trader channels. I'm Chris. I make video about trading strategy. I really want to help you become a profitable trader by show you how to trade with each trading strategy. In this video, I'm going to show you 5-minute trading strategies for Forex, stock, crypto. It doesn't matter. For these strategies, we need the SSL Hybrid indicator and the Supertrend indicator. This is two indicators we need for this trend trading strategy. You can check the setting in the description below. So this is the AUD USD pair and 5-minute time frame. Now I will help you understand the buy signal and sell signal with this strategy. For the buy signal, you need the price above two indicator like this. Okay, and you wait for the market. You wait for price go into the consolidations or trading range, and you wait for the price breakout of the trading range with a good breakout bar like this. There are two types of entry you can use. The first, if you're an aggressive trader, you can entry after the market breakout of the trading range. If you are a conservative trader, you can wait for the price pullback and you entry as the retracement. Okay, I hope you understand this. And for easily, you can change to the line chart. Watch the swing high and swing low to identify the trading range like this. Okay, yes, very simple and very effective. For the sell signal, you need the price below the two indicator. Okay, you need the price below the two indicator. I will show you the good looking sell signal. Okay, like this. Price below two indicator. I hope you can see the trading range. One reject, two reject, one reject, two reject. Okay, and you can check the line chart. Swing high, swing high, swing low, swing low. You can draw a range high and the range low. Okay, you can wait for price breakout of the trading range with a good breakout bar like this. You can sell when the price breakout of the trading range, or you can wait the price pull back and entry at the pull back. The stop loss will put above the range high. The risk and rewards ratio at least 1:1. Okay, at least 1:1. At least 1:1. Okay, I hope you understand this trading strategy. This trading strategy is very simple and very effective for a trend trader. You can trade intraday, swing trades, or scalping if you know how to trade with this trading strategy. Okay, here is another sell signal trading range. Right here, a good breakout bar. Entry short Stop loss above risk and rewards at least 1 to 1. Okay, here another buy signal. You can see here trading range, good breakout bar, price breakout, pull back, long here, stop loss below the range low, and the risk and rewards at least 1 to 1. So why I always wait for the market to break out of the trading range? Because of the market cycle. Markets always in the trend or a trading range. When the market break out of the trading range, the market start a trend, and when the market start a trend is where you can make money. You can make money when the price move in your favor. Okay, remember, only trade with the trend given by two indicators. Buy when the market break out of the trading range, buy after the breakout, or wait for the price pullback. Only risk 1 or 2% per trade. Study and backtest before using real money. If you have any questions, comment below. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. Good luck and good trading.